Welcome to the world of DTF and how Auntie and this new revolutionary idea are joining together to make a fun new way to create shirts, clothing, pants, and so many more ideas, guys. I have all the ideas coming, but let me just show you how simple and easy it is. For my video series, I just ordered a bunch of my new designs in bulk, but I will be designing these so that they're faster and easier for you to order in bulk or just order individuals. But I will say we have partners up our sleeves that we're working on getting you the best price that you can as an Auntie member. So I ordered some big and small just to play around with and give you guys some ideas for this series, but let me show you literally how simple this is. So I'm using the Bella Canvas crew, the fashion forward pre-bleached crew neck, which is so cute, and I'm creating a front pocket design and a back full design with the new Dingle Hoppers design inspired by Ariel. So for 300 degrees at 20 seconds, you press your design and wait for it to cool, and then you will peel it once it's cool. You'll replace a Teflon sheet and just press for another 5 seconds with medium pressure, and then you are good to go. I'm just gonna flip this over and do the second press on the front side, and this crew is so cute. So if you want to make this, I have a new catalog that is available to my members, but it's also available for sale, and it comes with 18 Disney inspired designs that are completely inspired, nothing is copyright. And if you want to order a crew neck or a shirt or a hoodie, you don't even have to worry about the color or the blend. You can just go straight to bellacanvaswholesale.com and get anything that you want to start making custom clothing with our designs, either to sell or to just keep and have for fun. I will be coming out with so many more ideas for you guys. I'm just getting started. DTF is amazing, and I cannot wait to share more tips and tricks with you guys. Love you guys. Bye.